Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly exciting: the 2025 Opel Insignia. This model takes Opel's flagship sedan to the next level with bold design updates, cutting-edge technology, and performance that aims to impress. If you're a fan of stylish sedans with premium features, stay tuned as we dive deep into everything you need to know about the new Insignia. The 2025 Opel Insignia makes an immediate statement with its bold and refined exterior. At the front, it features an updated Opel Vizor grille, which seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED matrix headlights. These lights not only enhance visibility but also give the Insignia a striking and futuristic look, especially with their dynamic lighting signature. The sculpted lines along the sides give the sedan a more aerodynamic and aggressive stance, while the gently sloping roofline maintains a coupe-like silhouette, ensuring that the Insignia retains its sporty appeal. The brown metallic paint option adds a layer of elegance, making it a standout choice for those who prefer a premium yet understated color. Moving to the rear, the Insignia now sports redesigned LED taillights, which create a more distinctive presence on the road. The integrated chrome strip running across the trunk lid adds a touch of sophistication, while the dual exhaust setup hints at the performance capabilities beneath the hood. Overall, Opel has done an outstanding job refining the Insignia's design, making it one of the most attractive sedans in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and modernity. Opel has significantly improved the quality of materials, featuring soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and ambient lighting that enhances the driving experience. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information for the driver, while the large touchscreen infotainment system sits seamlessly in the center console, supporting Opel's latest multimedia RV Pro with enhanced navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the standout features of the 2025 Insignia is the new head-up display, which projects key driving information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. Additionally, Opel has upgraded its IntelliLux LED technology, which now adapts even more intelligently to traffic conditions, ensuring better nighttime visibility without dazzling other drivers. Comfort is a top priority in the Insignia, with ergonomically designed seats that provide excellent lumbar support. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom, making this sedan a great choice for long drives. The Bose premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for those who appreciate high-quality sound while on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Opel Insignia offers multiple powertrain options, catering to a wide range of drivers. The base model comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, producing around 170 horsepower, which is perfect for city driving and daily commutes. For those who crave more power, Opel has introduced a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 250 horsepower and comes paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive gear changes. Additionally, Opel has expanded its plug-in hybrid (PHEV) offering, featuring a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor, producing a total of 225 horsepower. This hybrid variant provides an electric-only range of up to 50 kilometers, making it an excellent option for those looking to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Handling-wise, the Insignia continues to impress with its refined chassis and adaptive suspension system, which adjusts in real time to provide the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The all-wheel drive (AWD) system ensures optimal grip in various road conditions, giving the driver added confidence whether on highways or winding mountain roads. Opel has packed the 2025 Insignia with an array of safety features, making it one of the safest sedans on the market. The Opel iCamera system continuously monitors the surroundings, enabling features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The newly enhanced 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert add an extra layer of security. For those who frequently embark on long journeys, the driver attention monitoring system detects signs of fatigue and alerts the driver when it's time to take a break. The semi-autonomous driving features also assist in highway driving, maintaining speed and distance while keeping the vehicle centered in its lane. Fuel efficiency has been a major focus for Opel, and the 2025 Insignia doesn't disappoint. The base petrol engine delivers an average of 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, while the hybrid variant significantly reduces fuel consumption, making it an environmentally friendly option. Additionally, Opel has incorporated lightweight materials in the construction of the Insignia, improving efficiency without compromising structural integrity. The 2025 Opel Insignia is a refined, technologically advanced, and performance-driven sedan that caters to modern drivers. With its bold design, high-tech features, powerful yet efficient engine options, and top-tier safety systems, it's clear that Opel has put a lot of effort into making this car a worthy competitor in the premium sedan segment. So, what do you think about the new Opel Insignia? Is it the perfect blend of style, technology, and performance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Car Garage. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews. Here is your detailed YouTube video script for the 2025 Opel Insignia on your Car Garage channel. Let me know if you need any modifications.